Hey, it's Harrison, and since some of my interests are in hydrogen fuel cells, I've decided to show you guys some of the stuff I've been working on. So here it is. Okay, well here's my hydrogen fuel cell. This is basically how it's made. You have a regular jar, and I just drilled 3 holes in the top, and I put 2 electrodes in 2 of the holes, and in the center hole I have some 1/2-inch tubing where the hydrogen will exit the generator. And basically you just fill it up with water and sodium bicarbonate, and the electricity jumps the electrodes from negative to positive, and that splits the water molecules, and the hydrogen goes to the negative electrode and the oxygen goes to the positive electrode. And to seal this in so that no hydrogen was leaking out, I just used epoxy on all of these to keep the hydrogen in. So basically, all I'm going to do here is I have some water and then a teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate, and I just put it in and use a spoon and dissolve all the sodium bicarbonate into the water. Like that. Okay, once all of it is dissolved, put the funnel on the top here, or you could have just mixed it in here, and then pour it in. Okay, so you have the mixture here. You just screw this on to the top here. Then you just connect the wires of the battery, which is this battery right here, the lawnmower battery. You just connect the negative to this one and the positive to this one here, and it'll start working. And then you just put a balloon on top of here to collect the hydrogen. Let's see. Oh yes, and this, because they're both steel electrodes, it's going to rust, and it's going to turn this water here black or reddish color. So hopefully I'll get a stainless steel design made soon, which will use plates as the electrodes, so it doesn't rust. And then the next clip will show me with this working. Okay, so this is the hydrogen generator hooked up to the lawnmower battery. As you can see, it's hooked up, and the balloon here is filling with hydrogen gas. And because, like I said, the electrodes are made of steel and they aren't stainless, the water is turning black because of rust. So it's a very inefficient design, but it'll get a few balloons of hydrogen, which is mainly what I'm doing it for. And also here the color coding is wrong. The black here is actually the positive and the red there is actually the negative. I just hooked them up wrong. Other than that, the battery here is hooked up to a 1 amp trickle charger over there. You can see that. And so that speeds up the electrolysis process. And that's it for now. Okay, well it's been 30 minutes and the balloon doesn't seem to want to expand past this point. I think there's a leak around the lid here somewhere. So in my next design that'll have stainless steel plates, I'll have to fix that somehow. But I'm going to disconnect the balloon and just burn the hydrogen that's in there just to get rid of it. So I'll show that in the next clip. Okay, well I took the balloon off the hydrogen generator and I tied it up, and here it is. I taped some fuse to it and I'm going to take it outside and light it. Okay, I'm going to light the hydrogen balloon now. Okay, well that's it for the hydrogen generator. I'd like to start off by saying that I was sorry that you couldn't see a lot of the balloon. When the computer fits the video to the screen, it cuts off a lot of the balloon, and you really can't see it that well. So, sorry for that, and I'm scrapping this because it wasn't efficient, and I'm going to be making a much better one soon, and hopefully the hydrogen balloons I make from that will be a lot better. Not only that, but they're going to be oxyhydrogen, which is HHO instead of just hydrogen gas in there, so it'll be a lot bigger and a lot better. So if you like the video, rate or subscribe. Thanks.